Today we'll be going to a job site where they're welding a steel cage around an electrical box. The reason they're doing this is the electrical box has been vandalized several times in the last few months. We'll be arriving after the construction crew has measured all the parts, have cut all the parts, and have gone more than halfway through the welding process. So we're just going to see a small part of it so you can see how they weld, and they're welding with a MIG welder. MIG welders use a gas called a shielding gas. It's usually a mix of CO2 and something else, or straight CO2, that takes the place of flux. Two reasons: it's faster and it looks better. You don't have to chip the flux after you're done, but the shielding gas is the same thing that the flux did, and that's keeping oxygen away from the point where you're actually welding when you're welding. And then it has a wire feed that keeps the wire moving at the right speed, and that way it gives you the metal that you need while you're welding as well. Light may be too bright for my camera, so I'm going to turn it off when he gets doing this side this close. Welding is as bright as the sun or brighter when you're that close, so it's easy to damage cameras and your eyeballs. That's why they're wearing those helmets that are very dark glass in them.
There's a train line and everything.
To avoid flooding? That would be good.
Also for free?
It's still the right thing to do. Call Milestone now for your free heater safety inspection.
Or online at
Milestone.com. It's time for some straight talk. Look, we all know the sound. It happens. Your phone. You fumble it, crack it, splash it. Well, Straight Talk Wireless's new Platinum Unlimited plan includes phone protection that covers those kinds of mishaps. Just $65 a month for unlimited talk, text, and data. Plus more features like 20 gigs of hotspot and 100 gigs of cloud storage. All in the best network. Straight Talk Wireless, no contract, no compromise. See other protected organizations at assured.com/streamline. Limitations and exclusions apply.
looking for the lowest price on car insurance? Call 1-800-AUTO Insurance today. You can get started with AOS for car insurance. It's your safety. 1-800-CAR Insurance right now. And the Estimated Insurance Weather Center. Here's the Lone Star weather.
It's going to be another cloudy day today. Windy and humid. Around 78. Now it is 70. Lone Star weather.
This report is sponsored by Goya. If it's Goya, it has to be good. It doesn't matter what time of day it is when you have Goya's olive oil from Spain and Goya adobo. Pair it with eggs for breakfast or a delicious steak for dinner. Same ingredients, so many possibilities. If it's Goya, it has to be good. Just ask her to play Lone Star 92.5 on iHeartRadio.
As you can see, this was just a quick video to show you some welding points you may not know about or something interesting to see today. If you like what you saw today, be sure and hit the like button and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified of any new videos that come out. Thank you.